Okay, let's take a look at lessons 12 and 13, a combined lesson that was presented in class on Monday, October 12th. So within our opening, we have our learning target. I can write an essay in which I compare and contrast what I see and hear when I read the text to what I perceive when I watch the same scene of the film. We then talked about the discussion prompts and why perseverance and responsibility have been important habits of character for Percy, Annabeth, and Grover in The Lightning Thief. We talked about how there's always odds that they are facing and somebody out to try and get in the way of accomplishing this quest, and yet they stay the course. Which habit of character, perseverance, or responsibility will be important for you to focus on as you complete your essay? Both of them, I believe. We have been at this essay for over a week now, so perseverance to continue and see it through, responsibility to actually get it completed and submitted in time to be counted as hopefully an easy formal grade for you for this final formal grade of first quarter. Easy. And then why are comparing and contrasting important skills for your life beyond the school experience? We talked about various times and places that you might use these skills as you are weighing college opportunities, career choices, could be as simple as what to eat for a snack. All right, we watched a video on vocabulary about the writing process, and then we got into writing itself. So the next part of the assessment, of the assignment is the assessment part 1, which is drafting the essay. So you would click here to make a copy, and you would get this document. And it says end of unit 2 assessment, compare and contrast essay. This is not new. This is what we have been working through for the past week and a half. So it is simply now bringing it all together for final submission tomorrow. So the question that you are answering or should be answering with this essay is, how does the experience of reading chapter 16 of The Lightning Thief compare to watching the same scene in the movie? Consider what you see and hear when you read the text and listen to the movie. A reminder of elements of a well-written informational piece. So the compare-contrast essay is an informational piece, and you need to clearly state your focus and stay focused throughout the piece. Use accurate and relevant examples, details, quotations to explain your thinking. Group information logically in a way that makes your thinking clear to the reader. Follow rules of writing, spelling, punctuation, grammar, and I would add capitalization to that, making sure you capitalize names, character names, and names of places. You are then going to be drafting your essay on this document. It looks very similar to the graphic organizer we've been using. It's just a bit simpler. So if you have worked through this graphic organizer last week, as we did, with the intro on Monday, proof paragraph 1 on Tuesday, proof paragraph 2 on Thursday, conclusion on Friday, you can simply copy and paste what you have written into this new document. The purpose of this new document is to simplify and to also make it easier to read as one complete writing assignment, one complete essay, and not paragraph chunks. Reminder that your introduction should have a hook, provide context, and have your focus statement. We did the focus statement together back in lesson 8. You can snag that focus statement that we did together at the bottom and put it in that paragraph. Also, your proof paragraph 1 is all about similarities. Please make sure you give 2 to 3 similarities and give evidence from both the text and the movie to support those similarities. Again, with proof paragraph 2, 2 to 3 differences with evidence from both the book and the text, the movie to support your differences. Finishing with the conclusion. We worked through the conclusion on Friday, and we came up with a sentence stem here that you can choose what feeling and what description for the mission to be your final sentence of the essay. Please also do the track your progress, focusing only on the checklist parts, not on